Can't say something.
We're off to Wales. This is funny.
Second part of the journey, I'm starting to film a bit better these days. There's the driver, David. Where's Thomas? He's in the back seat, been sleeping all the way. Yeah, Thomas and David at Telford. Hey, we're almost on the way.
Shit, I took a picture of it.
Yeah, up the Lamberis Pass.
You look down to the left when you get around this other corner.
Yeah, look at that.
Man, that is amazing, isn't it?
Oh, I love it.
Great.
Child in the bunk bed.
Yeah, I've seen him. Look, there he is.
Look.
Little baby Thomas. Look at the room he's got. If you sneeze, you'll break your nose. Yeah.
You look alright. Yeah, okay. You're sure you're okay with that one?
No, I wasn't.
And what about the other bedrooms? There's a nice one down there.
That's mine. Get out.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you can have that because you drove.
There was a toilet. No, I'm not.
Yeah. Let's film what yours is like.
How's it near the toilet?
Very
the toilet's
nice.
fucking right here. I can't wait.
Yeah, that'll do. Yeah. Oh, you got lava lamp. Happy days. What about the other room then? Me and Thomas are going to flick for it. Are you ready for flick for the master room?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
with
feels better.
look at that. Oh, nice bed. And what's that out there? View of. You can lay in bed and look at the snow-capped mountains. Yes. Okay. What do you want? Heads or tails?
Tails.
Tails. Are you ready, David?
Yeah.
Thomas has chosen tails.
Right, you want me to
flick it? Yeah.
You've chosen tails,
Flick off
Thomas.
the bed.
Yeah.
We're gonna
I'll
flip it
have
on the
heads.
middle. You're having heads and Thomas is having tails, right? It is
Oh, you actually.
a head.
Yes.
It's a head.
Fucking hell.
You said he's having a head. Oh, God's sake. You sleep anywhere anyway.
Oh, yeah.
Right, I'm going to get my bag up here.
Fair's fair, I suppose. Oh.
Bloody hell.
One's already doing it. Oh my God! He's coming back at you. That's a good one. Ready? Here it is. Yeah, look at that. Back and front. Never done that. Look at that. How long have we been here?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. And what's Thomas done?
What's this?
Oh, that's nasty. Holy shit. Oh,
Bloody
yuck. On a skimmer stone. Oh, you're not hot, Dave?
No, I've got 2 t-shirts on,
Yeah.
3 jumpers,
Yeah.
a fleece and a coat.
Oh my God.
Yeah, but you have got a fleece in it.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
You'll be
just
boiling
warm
hot in a minute. Yay! Well, are we nearly there?
Yeah.
Good. Not long now. Excellent. There's the sheep. Thomas and David behind. Yes. Having a good day. And we're well on the way to the ranger path. Good sight coming up. We are just reaching the top of, what is it called, Thomas? This bit we've been up?
Ranger path.
Yeah, well, it's called Bilch Main, but the ranger path is coming. Excellent. Yeah, the ranger path.
Well, this is different to what I usually be doing on a Monday.
Getting snowy up here now on Wales' highest mountain. Snowy now. Look at that. Who's that? Yay! Told you it would. Got a long way to go yet too. Zigzags. Get near the edge. Oh my God. Yeah.
We're nearly there.
Yeah, I'm filming and taking photos at the same time, yeah. Well, we got a bit of a way, not far, 5 minutes. But look at that on the edge. There's David standing way too near that icy slope.
I love it. That's great.
Yeah, I wouldn't fall off there. You
The world, mate.
be the last thing you ever saw. Oh, do that again. Got my grips on my feet. My little spikes. Oh, this is a day. Look at it. My fingers are freezing. They freeze in about 5 seconds. Go on then, I'll film you two summiting. Look at that, David at the top. Highest person in the entire country. done it! Yay! Oh, good job! Thank you. Yay! Picture.
From a cup of tea I've had.
Well done. Look at this base camp at Dinorwig. That's the new name for Snowdon. Oh yeah, there we go. Hey, look at that. We are. Where are we?
I know, some random cave.
We found a cave, and we're way
massive.
at the back of it. Let's see how far it is. Let's go walking. There's Thomas. David was a bit afraid to come in the cave, but we're not,
Yeah.
because we're true adventurers.
Goes up there.
Look at that, blood handprints. Have you ever seen the film Blair Witch Project?
Feels like it.
Yeah, it does.
Don't give it. Loads of water, though. I've Another big top there.
It's not. I want to see where the other passageway goes. There's one that goes off. This one's about a few hundred metres long. And then the other one goes off down there.
Oh, bloody hell.
Got a wet foot.
Oh. Christ's sake.
Oh. It's clear water. Unbelievable. Oh, it's so dangerous.
This is what powers the slate. Wow, that's something else.
Yeah. This is the water wheel at Dinorwig Quarry in Wales. Might be the biggest water wheel in the world. This 1969 house in Llanberis. Oh wow. Step back in time here. Oh look, what's through here? Toilet. Oh wow. Oh. It's classic train image. Look at that. One of the most dangerous bridges in the world. You want to see that cave?
Mind blowing, isn't it?
It's absolutely brilliant here. Dinorwig Quarry. Look, I know this is a bit naughty. We've come over the fence, but we're going to try to get into the cave up there. Coming up to the secret cave entrance. There's a bit of old quarry, but up here, oh wow, look at this cave. Oh, didn't even know this was here. Just stumbled upon it. Oh wow, there's a chimney thing in there. Oh, I've got to have a look at that. Oh wow, oh, this has really been hacked up. Yeah. Oh wow. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh Christ, be careful here. Oh my word. Oh, I don't like this. Hang on, okay, I'll back off. Oh, there's the cave entrance. Oh my god. Down there, it's a huge cave. And in here, this is gigantic. Oh, and they're going in another cave. Great.
People tried to scrabble over the top and up through there. Properly.
We've made our way through to this long lost canyon and cave, and look at this. Unbelievable. It's as if Banksy has done a bit of graffiti here.
Yeah.
Look at this, we found this slate mine. There's Thomas there, look. Look at this funny shaped building, look. Surely no one would come through a door like this. Oh, hang on, what the hell?
Oh my god, who's that?
It
It is, it looks warm and nice, and look, way in the distance is Ireland. You can just see the mountains about, oh, I don't know, 100 miles away or something.
Don't even look, just go for it. Just Head for me and Pete. Don't even look for it.
I'm not balanced quite well at the moment. So
It doesn't matter. You can
No,
still make it.
if you close your eyes and run, you'll be fine. Yeah.
Yeah, look,
He's not going to go.
like this.
Oh no, don't do that. You'll fall. Ah, yay.
Honestly, it's so wide.
Do you remember on Indiana Jones?
Wobbly.
It's not wobbly. You do it on
No,
that
I'm
edge.
wobbly. My legs are wobbly. My knees are hurting so much I can't walk
Go
properly.
through the middle.
You can do it. Be brave, Daniel. Go on.
Hold my rucksack if I go in front.
You can do it,
that way.
Duffy Moon.
Just hold my rucksack.
Yeah.
I've done it no problem earlier.
No, but then you could keep the balance. Just straight in the middle. Yeah, straight in the middle.
Don't. You're getting near the edge.
You all right? Yeah,
it's
you're right.
fine.
Yeah,
He's
well
done it. Oh, well
see,
done. Look at
Conquer your
that.
fears.
Brave.
It's like weird.
No real rush, so.
No, it definitely is. I'll film this and I'll show Thomas when we get back how awkward it is.
My God, it's awkward.
Yeah. Oh. It's beautiful though today. Look at this. Look at that lake. Yeah. Oh, here we go. I'm filming now. There you go. There's our mate. See, look at you standing on ice. Wow, look at this. We're on an ice rink. That's brilliant. How are you enjoying it?
Having a great time. Look at that, mate.
Oh wow, that's to the top. Yeah, I'll do a picture. Stand there. Oh, yeah, picture. Up on the top of Snowdon, there's the aerial. Hang on, there's Snowdon summit. Through there. No one around. Only us. Hang on, there's my brother down there. Oh dear. 70-mile-per-hour winds on the summit. Absolutely lovely. There we go. You're right. It's found the old house. Oh, good stuff. Oh, yeah, you are. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's all right there. Oh, look at that. Yay.
That was tough, Pete, wasn't it?
Yeah, I'll take a picture.
My face is red raw. I couldn't see anything.
Oh, I wouldn't do
Once
that.
we were over this, we'd be alright, wouldn't we?
Yeah, we'd be fine.
Yeah, keep going then.
Oh,
Wait.
yeah, as long as we can get down the other side without flying off the edge.
Oh, my
But we
God,
could just go the other way.
There is no other way.
Yeah, there is. The road drops off really. There's like a massive gully where the water goes.
Got the road off, we can't even get out of Wales.
No, we're
Fucking
stuck.
can't even turn round.
Can't turn round.
Look, we've done it. We've done it.
He's done it. Oh,